The Owen James Report is
brought to you by JMMB. If you're serious about saving, you deserve JMMB.
If you're serious about saving, JMMB is where you need to put your money.
So what about my bank?
When you invest with JMMB, you earn higher rates, pay a lot less fees, and your money grows faster.
3 times faster.
And we'll work out the best plan for you, and we'll help you to stick to it. For the last 19 years, we have had many people make good money and achieve their goals by investing their savings with us. It's what we do. If you're serious about saving, you deserve JMMB.
Good evening. This is the Owen James Report. As the regulatory agency, the Financial Services Commission seeks to strengthen its consolidated supervisory regime, it's getting technical assistance from the Caribbean Regional Technical Assistance Center, or CARTAC. In a statement justifying this move, the FSC said this week that as a prudent regulator, it recognized that globally groups of companies continued to present significant challenges for regulators in analyzing and understanding the risks facing the group as a whole, as well as the individual companies within the group. The FSC notes the significant adverse impact that financial groups can have on the stability of global and local economies, and says the situation is magnified when a group has cross-border operations or where there are very complex group structures. On the foreign exchange market, following a gain of 5 Jamaican cents, the benchmark American dollar surged to a new record high average selling rate of $110.59 Jamaican today. However, the Canadian dollar weakened by 57 cents Jamaican to close at $101.03. Sterling strengthened by 14 Jamaican cents to close at an average selling rate of $187.66. As the bearish trend of the Jamaican stock market continued, the week ended on a negative note, with the main JC index losing over 1,000 points or 1.4%. A 13% fall by Telecom's Lime, the volume leader, was mainly responsible for today's fall. 21 stocks traded, with 4 advancing, 10 declining, and 7 holding firm. Sagicor Group Jamaica is reporting a 76% surge in net profit for the first quarter ended March 31 this year. Net profit of $1.1 billion compares to $620 million for the corresponding period last year. Now, it should be noted that last year's first quarter was negatively impacted by the debt exchange programs. The company's impressive first quarter was mainly buoyed by a 47% increase in net premium income and a 163% surge in net investment income. Guardian closed 2013 with a minimum continuing capital and surplus requirement ratio of 190% compared to the regulatory minimum of 150%. Guardian's President Eric Osin notes that 76% or over 41% of Guardian's total assets comprises financial assets. Now finally, in our business intelligence feature, as the conglomerate seeks to harness the buying power of Caribbean people overseas, officials of the Grace Kennedy Group have been conducting a series of town hall meetings in sections of Florida with high concentration of Jamaicans and other Caribbean nationals. The Alibaba IPO is shaping up to be one of the largest in history, with many analysts predicting it will be bigger than the Facebook IPO. So how may Jamaicans access this IPO? Well, though local brokerage houses are not directly involved, most established investment companies have the overseas brokerage connections that could facilitate purchase for suitably qualified Jamaican investors. And that's the Owen James Report. Good evening.
The Owen James Report was brought to you
by JMMB. If you're serious about saving, you deserve JMMB.